Show me what you got, hey, show me what you got, hey.
Hello everybody, Calico the Truth Reviews, and I got the last and final piece to my gaming room here, the Manastin beverage cooler slash refrigerator. It's good for your gaming, good for parties. It can hold up to 120 cans on the inside of it, so that's gonna be pretty dope, especially when you want to store your beverages when you're gaming, or you got a large party over here, or just gaming night, whatever in general. So it looks like a pretty good beverage refrigerator. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. I'm going to definitely enjoy this. It's going to be a final piece to my man cave for sure. So no more things are needed for my man cave, hopefully. So I'm just crossing my fingers, praying that this is it. All right, whether it's your audio, your lighting, or just the visual fidelity, I think that I have crossed all of those boxes. All of them are checked. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I got Bay's box cutter here, so y'all don't think that I'm on some crazy ish with this pink eye. Y'all think I'm the Pink Panther. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox it. All right, and they said that it looked like almost like a cyberpunkish detail of a refrigerator. I guess it has some gaming aspects of it that makes it look very colorful when it's lit up in the gaming room as such. So we're gonna give you guys a first-hand look of it. Yeah, just go from there, man. But the price of it is $2.99. I think on Amazon right now they have a $30 off coupon. So looking at maybe like $260, $270-ish. Just definitely you have to check back on Amazon because sometimes they do have those deals. So without further ado, I'm not going to talk your heads off. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. All right. All right. So whoopee, more boxes. More boxes. So actually, yeah, it is still pretty tall. You must wait at least 6 hours before plugging. Get a look at that. You must wait at least 6 hours before plugging this appliance into a main socket to ensure optimum performance. The device is cooling down after being powered on for 6 hours. What?
It's just picking up reflections.
All right, so I like the design aesthetic of this thing. It does look pretty cool. You can see the designs on the outside of the device here, of the actual refrigerator. So that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and get this thing set up and go and sit it on my actually fridge stand that I actually bought. So let's go and sit it on over there. All right, so on the inside, it looks like it has only, what, 3 shelves?
Yeah, but you can move them.
Yes, it only has 3 shelves on the inside of the fridge. So that'll be cool. So it did come with a user manual there. All right. So it does have a manual, of course. Guess we'll go ahead and plug it in and see how it actually looks. Okay, so it has a light button on the inside. Okay. So yeah, you guys take a load of that.
Alexa, turn off the light. Okay.
So yeah, that is pretty dope. I gotta wait till this thing actually gets done, because it has to actually cycle for a few hours, so that we can actually start storing the drinks on the inside. But this was a quick unboxing, man. Like I say, this is not really my typical unboxing that is a long video, but pretty simple, straightforward, straight to the point. All right, guys, so that was a quick unboxing of the Manastin gaming refrigerator and cooler. So I hope you did like this video. Please drop me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I do appreciate each and every one of y'all for stopping through. And again, this has been your man Calico the Truth Reviews. And I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Peace.